Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, I'll quickly show you how to enable Chrome Memory Saver mode to speed up your PC. So for example, if you're like me and you always have a million tabs open in your single instance of Chrome and you want to make sure that your 8 GB of RAM are not fully clogged up and taken by Chrome, follow me. 3 dots right here, click, go to Settings, go to Performance, and then in here, as you can see, we have a memory saver. So this one will deactivate the tabs that you have opened but haven't opened in a while. Click it and you will have 3 presets here. So moderate is kind of a light version, balanced is recommended, like an overall middle version. And we have a maximum, as you can see, maximum memory savings, but your tabs will become inactive after a shorter period of time. So choose the one you want, say maximum, and then you don't have to reload your browser. Just go ahead and work usually like you would, and you will see that your tabs will be deactivated and you'll free up your memory. Guys, enjoy as always. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe.